Ayan, ayan. Chapi. Ayan. Chapi. Chapi. Mika. Mika. Ayan. Mika. Ayan, nabili ng bata. Craving for burgers? Walang problema. I'm Chef Chad Pinkian. Tara, let's cook honey chicken Thai burgers from the scratch. First things first, let's do our tanzong. Tanzong. Wait a little bit kung mag-heat up siya before you add your flour. That's bread flour. Water thoroughly until mag-thicken ang texture. Just like that. And you always make sure na naka-low heat siya. Low heat. You let it thicken na parang na siyang paste. Then, after maluto siya, you let it rest until mag-room temp ang temperature niya. Now, you combine everything. First, the flour, instant yeast, granulated sugar, powdered milk. Now, you add your salt, 2 whole eggs, large eggs. 1, 2, then your room temperature butter. Or sometimes you call it softened butter. Not melted. Just softened. Finally, our water. Hook attachment. Then, start. We add our tanzong. Tanzong. This is the tanzong. Ayan. And then, continue mixing. And that's it. So help lang natin yung dough natin na ma-format siya into a perfect circle. Give it a little care. And then form it into a circle. Cover with cling wrap. Then, you let it rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour until mag-double ang dough to its size. Ha? Okay na nga ito ang dough. Punch. Baga natin kalagot kaya you remove it from your mixing bowl. Tapos, form into circle. You divide it into 8. Na. Butter your hands. Okay, 1, 5, 3. Next. So, anaon lang nimo siya. Kaya para mapurma siya og circle and then hamis ang iyahang nawong. Pwede ra po mo siya anaon. Anaon mo siya na siya. Bula-bulahon nimo ba? Murag ka ito yung mga bibing yung gipamuyaban. Bula-bula ra nimo. Transfer natin sa ating baking tray. Make sure nga nasa yung room. Diri sa kilid niya. Pwede siya actually magdikit pag-ayo. So since we're doing it individually, so ginakataga na to siyang space. Mara ko ito yung mga uyab. Na-extend mo ron. Atagi sa space, cover, and let it rest for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, brush it with egg wash. Tricolor sesame seeds. 1 cup. Para na siya yung color. And this will add good aroma to your bread also. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 20 minutes or more. And here's our finished product, our brioche buns, freshly baked. This time, magbuhat ako buttermilk. And since buttermilk is not always available sa market natin, so ito ang magbuhat ng sarili buttermilk. Yes, you add your vinegar. Dito ko let it mix. Hayaan lang siya for a couple of minutes na mag-curdle ang milk. Lagay natin yung ating chicken thighs. Mix lang. And then, you let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. Or, mas maganda overnight. Para mag-tenderize masyado yung chicken. Flour. Baking powder. Next, our aromatics. We have garlic powder, salt. This is barbecue powder, chili flakes, chipotle, onion powder, chili powder, black pepper, and MSG. Ding, 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 ding. Give it a good mix. And for the sauce, honey, butter. Ato ang i-melt ang butter before we add our aromatics. So for our aromatics, the same lang nung nilagay natin kanina sa breading. Mix. And to add kick, Tabasco. At syempre, since I am Filipino, banana ketchup is a must. Banana ketchup to be hot. Okay, para namit. So, sauce is ready. Let's deep fry our bagoy chicken thighs. Siyempre, for the oil, hello Golden Fiesta. I love you Golden Fiesta. Basit di ay, Golden Fiesta, bakit naman? And for the breading, you just always remember, wet, dry, wet, dry. From wet to dry. Gamita imong pikas kamot para naipolos dry, balik sa wet. Isang kamay, balik sa dry. Other hand. Into the oil. So karon buhaton na nato ning atong poslo. We just chop it into shredded cut. Next, carrots. Next then, nanapunin mo yung diaron na baliktad ang pagkahiwa sa tomato. Di magbuot. Sour cream, mayo. Mas masarap ito kapag may dill, pero since we don't have dill, so let's go with black pepper and salt. Black pepper, salt, chili flake, salt, pickle juice. Voila. Then for our coleslaw, mayo. Let's make it very simple lang. sauce from jalapeno. Just a little bit of our ranch. Okay, wala man tayo Dijon mustard. So, mas lamihan pa to siya. This one will do.
Chef, wala tayong video sa pag-paak ng chef ba?
Paaksa.
Burger. Paano kayo kaon?
Burger? Ay, diet man ko. Ako itong luto. Kamoy tigkaon. Ana na siya. Kay kapi kasi. Dapat mo tayo kumpiyan. Kamuloy tigkaon. Luto ako. Samahan ka niya ito sunod content. Ano yung burger? Uy, burger daw ka, burger. Burger?